welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thank you all for joining me once again for this week's Walgreen haul and deal video. I would also like to welcome anyone that is joining us for the first time. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and let's go grab some deals. The first deal I have here will be on Gillette Foamy Shave Foam. They on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two you get back $4 register reward. At my store they are priced at $3.79. That means the second one will be $1.89. These two items are going to total $5.68, and I have a $3 coupon in my app that will apply to this and drop it down to $2.68. I will pay that and get $4 register reward back. That will end up making these two items free and a $1.32 money maker. The next deal I'll pick up will be some free Colgate products. On the deal of buy two or more, you get $3 register reward back. I'll be picking up one of the toothbrushes on sale for $4.50, and I'll pick up the Colgate Optic White on sale for $4.50 as well. These two items will total $9. There is a $3 in our app that is attaching to the Colgate toothpaste and also a $3 for the toothbrush. That will drop it down to $3. I'll pay that and get $3 register reward back, making both items free. The next two items I'll pick up before I check out is not giving back any extra care box, but it's going to turn out to be a money maker because we have some good Ibotta rebate and also Shopkick. I will pick up two of the Oreo ice creams on sale for two for $6. Check your Ibotta because it's giving back $2 on each item, and also on Shopkick it's giving back 425 cakes and it's a limit of 3. That means I'll be getting 850 cakes from Shopkick because I'm picking up two, and that will be around $3.40. These are all the items I'll pick up in this transaction. That's the two Oreo cookie ice cream, the two Gillette and the two Colgate products. The total for these 6 products will be $20.68, and after the $9 coupon I have is going to drop it down to $11.68. I plan on using some register reward to pay it down. I have a $6 and also a $1 register reward, and I will also use some Walgreen cash, and I'll pay the rest out of pocket. This transaction went very well like I planned. All my coupons came off, all the $3 coupons, and I used the $6 register reward and another $1 register reward, and my subtotal was $4.78 plus tax. I redeemed $5 Walgreen cash and paid the rest out of pocket, and I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $2 on each ice cream, and I also submitted my receipt to Shopkick. I'm waiting for the cake to come back, and after all the rebates, this whole transaction ended up being free and a $2.72 money maker. The following deals I'll be sharing from here, I did not do any of those, but I feel like it's a good deal in case anybody needs some of the deals to add to their transaction. The first deal will be on Snuggle. They're on sale for $3.99, and when you buy one, you get $1 register reward back. And we have a $1 coupon in our app that will apply to this and drop it down to $2.99. Pay that and get your $1 back, making it just $1.99. The next item will be the Viva paper towel. It's on sale for $4.99. It's not giving back any Walgreen cash or register reward, but we have a $1 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $3.99. The next paper product I have will be the Cottonelle 4 Mega Roll. They're on sale for $4.99, and we have a good coupon for this. Check your app because we have a $2 that will drop it down to $2.99. And the last paper product will be on the Scott. You know they're normally on sale for $5, but this week they're on buy one get one half off. Pick up two. The second one is going to be $2.50. Pay that. That will make both items $7.50 or just $3.75 each. The last two items I have here is on General Mills cereal. They're on sale for 2 for $5. Pick up 2 of the Honey Nut Cheerios. Check your app. We have a $1 off 2 coupon that will bring it down to $4. Pay that and submit your receipt to Ibotta because it's giving back $1 when you buy 2. That will end up making these two items just $3 or $1.50 each. And this concludes my video for Walgreen this week. Thank you all for joining me once again and coming back to support my channel, and I hope you got something out of this, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.